Welcome to my YouTube channel Programming Dunya. Today I am going to discuss about the facade design pattern. This is a very simple design pattern if we know about it. And this is very popular design pattern in the interviewer. Many interviews they ask you about the facade design pattern, and if you know you can explain very simple way. I will let you know the definition. I will let you know how we can implement the facade design pattern, and also like some of the developers they are already used to the facade, but they doesn't know about this is the facade design pattern. Okay, let's discuss about what is the facade design pattern. So firstly, we should know this pattern is a part of the structure design pattern. And facade design pattern is a software design pattern that provides a simplified interface to the large and more complex system of classes. It means they can provide a simplified interface for the large and more complex of classes. That means like we have a large and more complex structure of the classes, then but we can provide the simplest way how we can implement the particular interface, then we can use it rather than they know about the large and complex things. So this is the main purpose of facade design pattern, like how we can simplify the complex system. So my definition in the facade, a single class represent the entire subsystem. I'll show you on that. Like I have many classes. Like you can see this is the subsystem. One subsystem, two subsystem, like many classes there. Then we have implement the facade design pattern. Then they have some client. So the client doesn't know about what are the classes you have in the background. They know about only the facade. So so what we can provide them, we are providing them to a simplified facade. So they can just implement the facade and they can call the particular method, they can get the output instead of they doesn't know about the what is happening behind the code, like what are the classes we are using, what are the things we are using. So this is the one of the very popular design pattern because of it provide to simplicity of the things. Even also I will explain you here like how we can implement very simple way. I will explain you to implement. Okay, let's take one of the example. Like I hope like the definition is very clear. A single class, this is a single class, sorry, this is the single class are represent the entire subsystem, that is called to the facade design pattern. Like what are the classes we are using, the only single class you can use through the client, then it will automatically handle by the single class. So single class represent the entire subsystem, that is called to the facade. Okay, so now how we can implement the facade design pattern, this is the very simple. Let's take the some example, like I can take the example of the inventory management, how we can manage that. Okay, so like how we want to pass the order, then all such things. So let's see. I'll just write some of the code. Okay, like let's create a class for the inventory management. Inventory management. Then I can create one method that is called to the check inventory, which the like I want to check the inventory particular product is available or not. If it is available, then we are going to order the respective order. Okay. So like I should know about the product. Based on that, I can check the particular product is available or not. I can create a class of the billing system. Like once the product is available, then I have to build the particular product. So then I can create a class of the billing system. So here I am going to create a subsystem. So let's see, I'll show you like how facade will handle the all subsystem through the only single class. Billing process, the billing system we can use. Then we can take the one method that is called to the process payment. Then we should know about the product and customer. Yeah. So the next class would be the shipping system, like how we can ship the data. So let's just I can copy paste and I'm going to create a class name as shipping system. Shipping system. Then I'm going to ship the order. Your entire subsystem are ready. Now I need to focus on how we can create, how we can generate the facade design pattern. Now I'm going to create a facade. It could be name anything. Right now I'm using the facade like order. It could be the order. Right now I can order facade. Here, the single class will represent the entire subsystem. How it will work, I can show you. Like private, I can create an object of all three. Private, read only, inventory management, score, inventory, just copy, paste. Okay. So I can create all three object for inventory, billing system, and the last one, the shipping system. Okay. Then I can create a constructor where I'm going to initialize all such objects. So right now I'm just created the references for that. If we are using .NET Core dependency injection, so it will automatically get injected. But right now I'm just showing the example. Okay. So the everything get ready. Now I just need to generate a method. The method will provide to the entire subsystem methods. How we can do it? It's simple. Like client doesn't know about the what is the shipping system class, what is the inventory management, what is the billing system. They should know about only the place order. So they have a class of the order facade, then they can call to the place order. Once they can place order, they doesn't know and they don't want to know about what is happening inside there. So everything will happen to the inside the place order. So in the place order, we should know about the what is the customer name. Just I can copy this one and paste it here. So here, firstly, I will check the inventory, like inventory dot check inventory. Like if I'm getting the boolean value from here, right now it's void. Okay, then I can get the particular things are available or not. If it is the available product, then I can call to the payment process. Once payment process will get successfully, then I'm going to ship the order. Here we have a customer and we have a product. Now next one, once inventory gets successfully, billing system will get successful, then we can call to the shipping so that we can ship the order. Okay. So here you can see this. I have already completed the first and design pattern. It could be very simple. Here you can see like nothing I have done. Just simple, very like just simple things I have done. Like I have created an object. Then I'm going to call all object. What are the method they have from the place order. So what happened? What is happening right now? Like once the client know, they know about the facade only. Like if these are the things I am public right now, it could be the internal. You cannot access these things. You, okay. So now I'm going to create an object of the facade here in the program. This is my client. This is my client here. Order facade new, and I will dot place order. So here I need to give the customer name like Abhishek. I am going to buy some product and I'm going to buy what are the product like mobile, anything, whatever is that. So here you can see the what does know the client. Client they doesn't know about the inventory management. They doesn't know about the billing system. They doesn't know about the shipping systems. They know only order facade. So they are going to place the order. Then or the place the order will handle everything, whatever operation they want. What are the things will happen? Like they will check the inventory. Once the inventory is available, then they are going to process the order. Then once the order, payment will get successfully, then they are going to ship the order. So here, this is the same example image I can show you here, like how we can implement the facade design pattern. So this is the entire subsystem. Like right now here we have three classes. This is the inventory classes. This one is the billing system, and this one is the shipping system, and this is the facade classes. The client are going to access. So just I can show you also one more time. So this is the facade classes, and here we have three classes. So I think guys, is it clear to you how we can implement the facade design pattern? If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to my comment to my channel. and also comment if you found any difficulty to any other topic in the related to the Microsoft.NET in C Sharp. Thank you, guys.